send the notification yet. So basically, we are live on different platforms. We are live on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook. So let me know in the chat from which platform you're watching this live, and we can start the discussion at least. Okay. So before we take up, before I take up your questions, I have things to share with you. The first thing is, I mean, you might have seen the title of the video, which is had an amazing week. So let me talk about the week this week. Of course, every day is important. Every day is amazing for me. But something happened this week, and I want to share that with you. So basically, from last 1 week, I've been doing corporate training for one of the company, and it's a very good company, big one. And so I do that training from a long time, multiple years now. I'm not sure if you know about this, but from last 7, 8 years, I was doing corporate training a lot with different companies, and the list goes on. It's a big list. But then from 2018, I thought I let me focus more on YouTube, because the problem is when I go for the corporate training, when I spend good amount of time there, when I come back to my office where I want to talk about YouTube and other stuff, it takes me some time for switching between the corporate training and this. So I have reduced the number of corporate training I take now. For this year, the only training I'm taking is for that company, and then we have a personal connect. Now, what happened is when I went there, of course, being a YouTuber, people do know you when they are from technology. Uh, it was good, and I expected that people will be knowing it. But then when I went on the floor, now people who are not my participant in the training, uh, and they when they approached, of course, there's one thing where people know you, and second, when they come to you by saying we got a job because of you, we were able to learn these skills because of you. And of course, they are trying to be extra kind here by saying uh, only watch my videos, but of course people learn from different places, right? So they might have followed multiple people on different platforms. But even if I can help this much to anyone to upgrade their skills to get a job, it gives you a very different satisfaction. And trust me, every time when people coming to me and then talking about something inside me, I was happy. I would be a bit emotional because how much I can affect someone's life in terms of their career. So it was pretty good. Uh, so again, for everyone, if you let me know in the chat as well, by any chance, if my videos are helpful in terms of getting a job or cracking the interviews or working on a project where you got a project in your company and then you're not sure, hey, what to do. So by watching the video, if that was helpful. And next time when you see me somewhere, just say hi. Okay, it's not like you have to think about it. I feel very good when people come to me and talk. So again, just a thing. So next time when you, because that's what happened in the last week. People were confused. Am I the same person? Maybe I look different in videos and in person. So don't get confused. Just say hi and do that. Okay, Siddharth says your videos are helpful for my recruitment process. Oh, thank you so much, Siddharth. Okay, YouTube is not sending notification today, I guess. So that's fine. That's fine. This is weekend. People are enjoying their weekends. I'm sure this will be a long weekend for some people who got holiday yesterday for the Janmashtami. Hey, hi, Kola. Okay, a few people are from LinkedIn. That's great. Rahul says, I need to speak to you. Can we connect one to one? I don't know if I can send you a link to connect one to one here. What I can do is I can invite you, and we can have a one to one chat here. Okay. Before that, Harisha says, "Happy birthday, sir! Your birthday cake was awesome." Oh, thank you so much. Okay, I posted that on Instagram, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Abhishek says, "I want to join your online Java class of yours. Please let me know how can I join." It's easy. Maybe in the description of this video of this live, there's a link for Java enrollment or Java course. You can just click on that link and you can enroll. Okay, so if you want to join, you can do that. What I will do is I will share the invite. You can actually come on the screen here. So again, I want to put a disclaimer. I'm sharing a link in the chat. When you join from that link, you will be visible on YouTube. So again, if you want to be seen by people, then only join. I'm not responsible if something goes wrong with your appearance on YouTube. Okay, Abhinav says, if I join your blockchain course, will you teach us in the lecture? Yes, in fact, we have divided the course between multiple trainers, and I'll be taking most of the sessions. Oh, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. I'm expecting Spark classes from you, but no, I'm not into Spark now. So I tried it in 2015, 16, but got some other work. Okay, so we got the first person in the chat or in the stream. So sitting backstage, we got Abhinav. Hey, hi, Abhinav. I'm adding to the stream. If you can get your camera and mic on. Oh, Abhinav just left. Okay, so you will find the link in the chat, everyone. I have shared the link once again. Make sure your camera and mic is working before you join. Okay, Java full stack link is not working, is it? Let me just check once. I'm not even sure if it's there. Java full stack. It's working there. I can see it's working. I know what's wrong on your side. Okay, why are people not able to join this? Hey, thank you so much, Ridok. Okay, we got Hemant. Hemant, if you can get your mic and camera on, I can add you to the stream. I can see you people are joining, but your camera is not on. Hey, hi, Hemant. Oh, now I lost you. What's going wrong here? Please tell about MCA. What should I say about MCA? It's a master course, which is Master of Computer Application. What more you want to know about it? It's a good course. Yes, it's a good course. Okay, I can see a lot of people have joined. If you can get your camera on, I can add you to the stream. We can have a one-to-one chat here. Okay, so Sitish is saying, can you advise me? Is there any difference to develop your skills in C Sharp? I want to develop my skills as Java developer, but I'm finding an opportunity in C Sharp. C Sharp is good. It's good. It depends upon what you want to do. If you want to work on .NET platforms, C Sharp is a great language. So if you got the opportunity, you can take that, and later on you can shift. Okay, I can see Sudhir, your camera was working. Is it working really?
Yeah, hi Naveen.
Hi Sudhir. If you can also get your camera on.
Uh, I'm not in a good position to turn on.
Okay. No issue. You can ask your question, Sudhir.
Yeah, actually, I'm surprised. Basically, I'm in a position where I left my current organization uh,
Mm-hmm.
to to do the Java full stack, but I feel like it's difficult, and currently I'm going through Java plus DSA.
Okay.
and I don't know how much time it will take. Like I'm thinking that it will take 6 months, or I don't
It
know.
will. It will. It will. So see, Java is actually a difficult platform to master, and if you can give good amount of time every day, it should not take 6 months. It should be done in 4 months. If you can give, since you left your job, and if you're preparing, it should not take more than 4 months to master it, provided you give good amount of time every day.
Yeah, like I have doubt that is 6 months gap is good or not in my profile like that.
They will ask you why you left your job, why you have 6 months gap. You just see, having a gap is not an issue, but not able to answer why you got the gap is an issue. So if you can say I was upgrading my skills, I was working on my own projects, that's completely fine. Companies, they why they are concerned about gap is because when you take a gap and when you're not working in 6 months, your mind basically goes back, you go backward. But if you are learning something, if you're making a project, that means you're not going backward. So you can explain that to the interviewer and they will be happy. Okay, it's not about, the issue is not with the gap, the issue is with you're not able to answer that question properly. Just convince them that you can crack the interviews. I mean, convince them that you can work on the project and show whatever project you have done. um, so that should be good.
Sure, no, thank you so much. Big fan of your Java playlist. It was amazing. Like
Oh,
good
thank you so
examples
much.
and
Thank you so much. So all the best, Sudhir.
thank, thank you so much. I didn't expect that I will come into this live.
It's my pleasure to get able to talk to you people. Thank you so much for
Thank
joining.
you.
Okay, let me take some questions. So computer glasses is good. Yeah, they're good for, at least they don't strain your eyes when you are working for a long time. So it's good. In fact, I do good amount of investment on my glasses at least, because maximum time I have to sit in front of a computer or a mobile phone or that I for a tablet. So I have to make sure that at least it should not strain my eyes. I mean, there's a research that computers don't affect your eyes directly. It will not change your number or something, but it does give you strain, and for that, wearing glasses is good. Learning Spring Boot is good or not at present. It's very good. In fact, most of the companies are using it, so it's good. Yeah, same here, Shankar. It's still messing with me. My head. JavaScript is weird, but it's one of the easiest and strong language, so you can't stay away from it. Okay, we got Yash in the chat. Hey, hi Yash, you're sitting in the backstage. Let me get you on the screen.
Hi,
Hello,
sir.
Yash. How are you
How are you?
doing?
I'm
Yeah,
good.
doing
How are
good.
you doing? First of all, it's pleasure to be here with you.
Oh, it's my pleasure. In
Yeah,
fact, we share the same curtains, I guess. Maybe
yeah,
your is different color.
yeah. Okay, so yeah, my question was that I am currently we can say a mid-level backend engineer working with Node.js,
Hmm.
around having 3.5 plus years of experience with it. But
Okay.
my question was around that how we move to this more senior position like senior software engineer or engineering manager, because see lots of the times when I applying for those roles or roles of backend engineer, it generally asks for the scalability. Yeah,
Hmm.
that's the main thing that companies are being asked from
Right.
the yeah. And but the issue with it that unless you work on highly scalable system, you won't get to know that what are the components that are really required there. So how to go about that, means how to approach this. Please answer this, and then I will have one another question regarding
Sure,
that.
sure, sure. In
Yeah,
fact, there is no good answer for this question. One thing I realize is uh, getting on the next step. You have to understand how a platform is built, the architecture. So maybe
yeah,
if you read some books on, uh, how do we design a software? How do we architect a
mm,
software? How do you
yeah,
build a scalable application? Of course, you're just learning. You're not doing it. Okay, so
yeah,
that's not the issue which our company will have. One way you can do is whoever is doing that in your company, if you can work with them closely,
Yeah.
Build that rapport with the manager who is existing manager or tech lead, interact
Mm-hmm.
with them, ask them multiple questions, how we are scaling the project. Of course, you are not doing it, they are doing it.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
at least you will get the gist what they are doing it, if they can show the architecture to you. And that's
Mm-hmm.
it takes time for them to open up everything with you. So build the
Yeah,
rapport, ask
yeah.
questions, and
Mm.
of course they might be busy for some days, but they will be getting tired by you by saying, okay, let me answer that question to you.
Yeah,
And whatever answer they give you, you can go to the other interview and answer that, provided your manager is not watching this video. Yeah, so ask questions, read books. There are a lot of books on scalable softwares. There are a
yeah.
lot of books on architecture. But yes, that's a theory
Mm-hmm.
knowledge. You,
Yeah,
if you want to really test it, that's where you have to work on your current project. So whoever
yeah,
your
yeah,
team lead and they're working with it, so communicate with them.
yeah. Thanks for the answer. And my second question is around what do you think about the next trending technology in backend? Currently, I'm not for sure that Node.js is dominating, but I see
Mhm.
there are Go and Rust might be the next player who might dominate the backend industry. What do you think about it?
I think we are good for next 5 years, whatever technology
Yeah,
is currently running. But you
yeah,
never know. Google, all these companies have a huge power when they
yeah,
come
yeah,
up with a new technology. Example, it's not about new technology; it's about revealing what they are using.
yeah, yeah,
For a long time, no one was knowing that Google is using Kubernetes, and
yeah, yeah.
suddenly, when they came into public, everyone just started jumping on it.
Yeah. Same
So
goes with the React. Yeah,
right, true, true.
yeah,
So these companies are using this technology. We don't even know about it. So if they are not revealing anything new, we are good. Whatever we have till now, we are good
yeah,
with Node.js. We are good with whatever framework we have.
yeah,
Golang is good, but I can't see its application on web as of now
yeah,
because whatever requirement we have, it's Node.js and all the other technologies which are there are fulfilling it.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, so I don't think you have to upgrade at this point, but knowing it, it's a good advantage. If you
yeah,
get free time, learn about Golang, learn about Rust, at least the basics of it,
yeah.
and see.
And one more question, if you allow.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, and what do you think about databases? Like I see every company is using different ones and with different architecture. Like
Yeah.
many a times I've read in the engineering blogs of Slack and Discord. I think they are also evolving by the time that if some database is not matching with the demand, they are upgrading by the uh, time. So yeah, that was the story with Discord that I've read, that how they have scaled their infrastructure.
Hmm.
So my question really was, how do we think about the optimization in terms of databases? Like for sure that uh, we generally follow the trends. That's my thoughts, because if you heard the name of Munstack, the MongoDB is in there. So people might think that MongoDB is highly scalable and will meet their demands, but I don't think so that is true, that in terms of scalable system, because I see that Discord moved from MongoDB to other SQL, or I think Cassandra. uh,
Okay.
so, what do you think about the databases? And second question, add on to that, that how do we think about optimizing it? Because it really comes down to the optimization, that how we approach and how we write queries.
Right. So there are two things. One is the databases which you use. Um, Most of the people they choose database because it is easy. I mean,
Yeah,
if you talk about
yeah,
MongoDB, it's very easy, right? Just take your
yeah,
data and dump it.
yeah,
Coming to another one like Cassandra, Cassandra is a bit complex to set
yeah,
up
and
and query. So we have to learn a language called CQL. So people
yeah,
normally stay away from it, and most of the
yeah,
startups they only focus on new technologies,
yeah,
uh, easy technologies
MongoDB,
basically.
yeah, MongoDB,
They just want to make things works.
yeah,
Uh, Especially for startups that don't care about scalability because they are focusing more on what do you say MVP, which is minimum
yeah.
viable. Make it work.
Just going to the market first.
Yeah. So once they feel, hey, we got a lot of users, at that point they shift their databases, they shift their architecture. Coming back to Cassandra, Cassandra is one of the one of the best NoSQL database I can have seen. It
Yeah.
provides you so many features, and but then again, startups will not directly jump on Cassandra.
Yeah. Yeah.
It will take a lot of time for them to set up. It's also costly compared to MongoDB.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of factors.
Yeah.
So I
And
would say
it,
again, given a choice, I would upgrade myself between different databases.
databases. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That's it.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pleasure talking
Thanks
to
so
you.
much, Yash, and
Yeah.
I loved your curtain.
Yeah. Thanks, by the way.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Yeah.
Okay, we got a question from Gaurav. Gaurav, thank you so much for the super chat. What's the scope and testing? It has a good scope. Depend upon what tools you're using. In fact, for testing, I would recommend you to go to Mukesh Otwani's channel, and he normally shares a lot of things about it. But yeah, it's a good field. Okay, why YouTube is not sending the notifications today? That's weird. Hey everyone, if you can like the video, maybe YouTube don't know that we are going live. If you can hit the like button, YouTube is not sending notification today. It's really weird. I mean, we should do mentees often. Yeah, that's what I wanted to share my journey with you the last week, and it was quite fun. Questions, questions, questions. How to start DSA in awesome way? There's a way. There's a book. Is there a book on DSA with awesome way? No. Okay, I'm just kidding. So basically, you have to understand the basics of it, and basics are always helpful. I have seen a lot of people jumping directly on algorithms, but focus on data structures first, and try different algorithms on data structures, and then go for the advanced part. That's how we do it. And practice. Okay, try different problem statement on different websites and solve them. Okay, Tycoon says even I got notification late. Maybe YouTube is not sending notification today. YouTube is on holiday. Maybe. Okay, okay. Yeah, we got Pawan Maske in the backstage. Hey, Pawan, if you can get your camera on. Mm, camera, you are on screen now if you have any questions.
Yes, sir. I am here just to wish you the happy birthday, sir.
Oh, thank you so much, Pawan. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah. Sir, I am actually, sir, actually, I am in the college hostel now, so I don't have the proper background at this stage. So,
Oh, no problem, no problem. You can use your voice. And that's when everyone knows how the
yes, yes.
hostel looks like. Right? We will not judge you, don't worry. Okay,
Yeah,
no
yeah.
issue. Any questions you have, Pawan? Apart from wishing me a birthday?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. I have question. Before that, I would like to clarify the one thing that this is the first time ever on the social media that I am going to live, and it is my pleasure to have the live with you, sir.
Oh,
I
thank you
am the
so much,
part
Pawan.
of
It's my pleasure.
your blockchain as well as Java course, and
Oh, is it?
also I am the
Oh,
part of that Python course as well. Sir,
oh,
the course is really amazing thing, and helpfully and luckily I got the best mentors over there, Heather sir and Nitin sir as well. So that one, the great thing for me. And sir, one thing is that in
mm-hmm.
today's morning live lecture, I
Mm-hmm.
requested you that please come on the live on YouTube. So I thought on behalf of my
Oh,
request, you come over there. So I have one small request for you, sir.
yes, Pawan, please.
As I am in third year of my engineering college
Hmm.
from Pune.
Hmm.
So means this is just a request. If you allows my request that can you please share any transitional incident of your college?
So
This
transitional means,
is another topic, studies related transitional,
I
sir.
mean, how I studied,
Because
or
sir, as far as I remember, because I am connected with you from a long time, but you
Mhm.
never share any incidents of your college. So it will
Oh,
be nice
I
to
had a great
hear.
journey in
Yeah.
my college days. In fact, I wanted to do engineering, but unfortunately, the fees was very high for the engineering. So I went for BSc in IT. The fees was for engineering was around 90,000 per year, and for the BSc it was 25,000 per year. So I thought, anyway, in BSc you learn the same thing what you learn in engineering. So I went into BSc in IT. I was first year I was very confused like everyone. When you start learning programming for the first time, it's always weird, right? Uh, why do we have to write hello world? Just I mean 5 lines of code just to print hello world. Why to add two numbers on the in the code just to get 2 plus 2 is 4? But then later I realized when I was in my first year, second sem, I went into different competition in different colleges, and then I realized, okay, this is what you do. This is why you build application. I was not knowing how to uh, write code or how to build application, but at least I knew what to do now. So I went back home. I was having this weird machine which used to always shut down in the afternoon because of the heat. So I used to work in the evening time because that's where the machine works perfectly. So I used to stay awake till 3 p.m. or 3 a.m. just to make sure that everything is working. Yeah, that's what motivated me to learn programming. I participated in multiple competition. Once I tried to be on stage to speak something, and I loved it when I was able to connect with the audience. And then I thought, hey, I love to present as well. So in my graduation, I participated in a lot of competitions, went on stage, delivered different concepts. I went into MSc. I was able to teach my juniors. I did my master's in Mumbai itself, both my degree and master's. It was quite fun. In the master's, I got the opportunity to teach my juniors. That's why I realized I love teaching. I uploaded my first video when I was doing MSc in 2011, and it's still there. So if you can see my video on not on this channel, I have one more channel called Navin Reddy. Yeah, Navin Reddy, and that's where I have uploaded my first video. It was about how do you move line in a graphic way in C language. How do you move a circle in C language with the help of graphics.h. Yeah, that's what motivated me to do whatever I'm doing now. And yeah, that's I had a sweet little college journey. No suspense or something. It was smooth.
Yeah.
I hope that helps, Pawan.
Yes, sir. Yes, it's nice to hear that, and thank you very much, sir. Because actually, I am a student of non-computer science background. Actually,
Oh, okay.
I am my field is mechanical related, but I am still pursue my interest from before starting of my bachelor's, and from there only I am following the your course as well. uh,
Awesome.
and now I am the part of live courses as well. So
Okay,
thank
so
you very
basically
much, sir,
you're
because
doing multiple
you
courses, right? You're
provided
doing
a
Java,
lot.
blockchain, and Python. So Pawan, you're doing multiple courses, right? In the morning, you're joining the Java batch, afternoon blockchain batch, and evening
Huh.
Python batch.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, that's awesome. So how do you spend the entire day?
Uh, sir, actually,
Just by watching videos.
it's quite a busy schedule because I am part of another course of Hitesh sir as well. So
Oh,
that was the uh, busy schedule, but still I am enjoying it. So I don't feel any stress or anything like that. Uh,
okay. That's good. You're learning
that's
multiple things at the
that's
same time. Good.
yes, sir. Because I am in a position to handle that all because you have made our fundamentals as strong enough, sir. So all
Oh,
credits are goes up to you and Saurabh sir.
Oh, thank you so much, Pawan. Thank you so much. I
Thank
will
you very
convey
much.
this to Saurabh sir as
Thank
well.
you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for joining, Pawan. See you around in the
Thank you very
batch.
much, sir.
Yeah. Bye bye. Okay. So yeah, so wanted to share the experience, and that's it from this live. Let me know if you want me to go live again next week. I love to go live on YouTube. It's just that the schedule is not with me as of now. A lot of things going on at the same time. Okay, one thing and then we'll live. So we got a point from Sai Shravan feature. Okay, not this one. Sorry, from Shekhar. I'm in notice period currently, and I don't have any offers as of now. Feeling stuck. Some motivation, please. That's a part of a lot of people. In fact, I had this issue. Uh, I was not on notice period. Basically, I left the company in between, and I was not on job for 3 months. And trust me, it was a very difficult time because you don't have money, and it's difficult to be motivated when you don't have money with you. And that's where you realize, hey, there's nothing to lose now. Right? You can give your best and apply for multiple positions. In fact, I went for multiple companies interviews. Some of the company I rejected because the kind of uh, culture they had was not good. Even I don't like some of the companies, and in some of the companies where I went, I have not got selected. So it was a very weird 3 months for me, 3 or 4 months. So it happens with everyone. So make sure that you upgrade your skills, whatever current things you know. If you know JavaScript, upgrade yourself to Node.js, React. If you know Java, learn about the advanced part of Java, which is Spring Framework. If you know any other technology, try to improve your skill set. Certifications are not that important. Improve your skills. That's important. Okay. I know it's kind of demotivating when you don't have offers with you, but a lot of jobs available, right? Hit the ground. Okay, go to different interviews and see what is not working with you, see what you're missing in the interviews, and come back home, practice, learn, and that's how I do it. And I'm sure in next 1 month when we go live again, I can see your comment by saying, hey, I got the job. Right? So keep the hard work going on. Okay. Shai Sawan, no idea about Salesforce. I don't even talk about Salesforce. So thank you so much, everyone. See you in the next live session, and keep learning, keep upgrading your skills. And one more thing, you can see in the chat. So basically, from 15th of August to 21st of August, Tech Iniron is uh, we are running a promotion where not a promotion but a giveaway where you can join our Techniron. We have reduced the price from 25,000 to 10,000, and also you will receive 20% extra off by using a coupon called Naveen20. So basically, if once you join, once you are part of TechNeuron, you can access more than 200 courses, mentoring sessions, job portal service, and a lot of other stuff. So, and all the affordable life courses will be free for you. Okay, Jagdish says, so any Spring Boot and JDBC new batch started. You can join the current batch of Java. You can find the link. Spring JDBC will going to start soon. So it is entire full stack Java, but you can choose the topic, right? You can attend the session where you have it. So yeah. So thank you so much everyone for joining, and see you in the next live session. Bye bye, and thank you so much for the wishes. Keep watching, and if you want to give me a gift, the butter gift, hit that like button, and do share the videos with your friends. Let the world know the free content is here. Bye bye.